Hello guys, uh, this is unboxing of the TP-Link 720H. I think the model number is UH720. So this has 7 port data hub plus 2 port smart charger. So 2.4 output, 2.4 ampere output from these 2 ports, and rest all are the data ports. This also can be used for data, I believe. So let's open this up and see what we have here. I think it has to be opened from the bottom. Okay. So it opens up like this. To take it up, keep it aside. User manual, some documentation. I got it in this sale. The price was around 2200, and I had been eyeing this piece. This is one big ass power brick. So 12 volt 3.3. So this is total of 40 watts of output, which is required if you are going to have power supplied to your peripherals. So there is one on off button. Micro B for getting the full USB 3.0 speeds, and then you have all USB 3.1 cables, and these are 2.4 amperes charging sockets. So yes, this is the hub, and then you get one micro B cable as well with it. So this is the specification. So let me give this a spin, and you can ask any questions if you have. Thank you so much for watching.